Hello and welcome to day 69 of Bedtime Welsh, and it's new word time. And the new word for you today is else, as in something else. So the word I want you to say for else is arall. Arall. Do you remember with the ell sound you make a l sound, l, and then you just try and blow a little bit of air out the side of your tongue. Sh, l, sh, l, sh. So arall. The word I want you to say for else is arall. So else is
arall.
Arall. So something else is
rhywbeth arall.
rhywbeth arall. So how about now to do something else?
Gwneud rhywbeth arall.
Gwneud rhywbeth arall. Okay, how about to watch something else?
Gwylio rhywbeth arall.
Gwylio rhywbeth arall. Right, how about to eat something else?
Bwyta rhywbeth arall.
Bwyta rhywbeth arall. How about to start something else? We haven't done that for a while. Can you remember to start? To start something else.
Dechrau rhywbeth arall.
Dechrau rhywbeth arall. And last one for today, to say something else.
Dweud rhywbeth arall.
Dweud rhywbeth arall. Okay, and that's it for today. Nice easy one, and we'll see you again tomorrow.
Ta!
Hwyl am y tro.